Many years ago, a gardener gave me a tiny piece of this wonderful perennial with fantastic foliage. It followed me from one garden to the next, where it now grows on a rock wall and next to my front steps. I've noted that some resources say it spreads vigorously, which gives the impression that it's a thug. Not so. Although it does spread, it's at a slow pace. And if it goes too far, it is easy to pull the errant rosettes. And then you can take those rosettes, push them into the soil, where they will root readily wherever you place them. Loose panicles of white flowers, each adorned with dots of red and yellow, are delicately arranged on a stem that rises from the rosette center. The leaves, which are spoon-shaped and mid-green, each has its own unique pattern of random splashes of yellow. These leaves are a distinctive feature of the saxifrage. This saxifrage is perfectly suited to our mild climate. The ones that thrive in my garden are those that are in partial to full shade, possibly due to the area's ability to retain moisture. They are not fans of dry soil, which is surprising being that they're succulents, but with a little extra care, such as supplemental watering during our summer drought, they adapt and thrive. Many people are going through hard times, so my goal is to bring you a beautiful flower gift in this series, with a little information and a reminder to breathe. As always, happy gardening.